Hello everyone, I'm back again and for your kind information. In the teaching learning process, we are discussing about the writing skill. In your last videos, we discussed about how to draft a notice, and today I'm going to tell you about how to draft advertisements. And as usual, I have written here some of the instructions which you have to follow at the time of adapting the question of advertisements or just for practice. You have to follow all these instructions. Marking scheme. In marking scheme, it has also 4 equal marks in which heading will be equal 1 mark, content 2 marks, expression 1 marks. And tips to attempt classified advertisements. First of all, heading is compulsory. Use only phrases, avoid sentences, avoid use of articles, prepositions, abbreviations may be used. The content must be clear. Contact number or address must be mentioned. The first word like available, wanted, lost, found, etc. must be in capitals and the rest can be in running hand. Types of classified advertisements. First one, situation vacant, oblique wanted. Second, to let. To let means for sale or on rent. Third, sale, oblique purchase of property or vehicle. But now here it is the first type, situation vacant wanted. Now I am going to tell you about the situation vacant wanted, about the instructions of situation vacant wanted. First one, situation vacant space wanted. If you get such kind of advertisement in your exam or in your practice manner, then which the instructions you have to follow in situation vacant and wanted advertisements. First you have to give title. Give title or heading. As usual, in situation vacant, you have to follow all these instructions. Second one, mention wanted / required, wanted / required / situation vacant. This is the second instruction. Now the third instruction, mention the name of the post and number of posts. Third one, now the fourth one instructions, mention qualification and preferences. Next one, mention salary offered, mention salary offered / negotiable or salary acceptable. Another one, last but not the least, you have to give contact number, email address and postal address, means डाक पता जो होता है. So in the teaching learning process today I am discussing about the writing skill of +1 and +2 standard in the same manner on the topic of advertisements, and in which we have three various kind of advertisements. First one, situation vacant wanted. Second, to let, and third, sale purchase of property or vehicle. In separately in your coming videos I will explain about all these types of advertisements separately, so that later there will not be any problem to anybody else at the time of attempting such kind of question related to the advertisement which will be in your question paper or which is in your practice manner. So all these instructions you have to follow if when you write the situation vacant or wanted advertisement. Give title heading, mention wanted, required, situation vacant, mention the name of the post and number of posts, mention qualification and preferences, mention salary offered and negotiable or salary acceptable, give contact number, email address or postal address. Among all of these you can mention anyone. So this is all about the instructions of advertisement. In your coming video I will give you the PDF of situation vacant or wanted advertisements. Till then, goodbye and thank you.